Just open and close and stick. Action.
Yeah.
Action.
I'm gonna be on live television.
When we start recording for real, can I say hello, Chuck?
Real news.
What do you do if you
Watch out for one another. Like a good neighbor, keep an eye out for one another.
So it's not covering your face.
If you can go back and take that time back, would you do your homework or play video games?
I don't know. Probably do my homework and then like 30 minutes later, like take breaks and then play video games so they can go back.
I just get my homework done all at once.
Yeah,
Then just to get out of the way.
Yeah.
Action.
Oh, we're kind of not in the film. But you gotta make sure he's in the film, okay?
Okay, one more time. We're gonna get it this time.
Step back a little bit.
Can they edit? Can he edit me out and then just put a flying phone?
I don't think so.
Okay.
It's bro, just talk. Okay. I'm pretty sure.
You don't pause it.
It's. Oh my gosh, I forgot.
Okay, we gotta stop. Let's just go over it without. 1, 2, 3, go. Cut.
Measure twice, cut once.
When was the last time you failed but kept going? Well, I don't know. I'm confused.
I'm a soldier.
What was the question?
For real, it's on now? I told Miss Julie, hello, welcome to Chapel Hill News.
Take it away, ladies.
And that's today's stuff.
Hunter, thank you for interviewing me.
Thank you.
Okay. Good job.
You said thank you, and I said thank you.
Like right here. Lean over. Okay. Good.
Pads for progress. Jesus. Okay.
They did not know that. How did they not know that?
I'm gonna ask you. Let's switch. Oh, we're just gonna roll. Okay, roll with it.
You're good.
Today we're going.
Wait, it's way too low. Okay, wait, what do we do here?
Oh, is that it?
Oh,
great. Okay, so cat.
That was funny. When have you been not cocky? Roar.
She gets a little loud.
Don't really want them to say it.
Oops. Cut.
Perfect.